Have you ever needed money urgently? Maybe for a medical emergency, a wedding, home renovation, education, or to pay off expensive debt. At times like these, many people think about taking a personal loan. But here's the big question. Is taking a personal loan a smart financial decision or a financial trap? The truth is, a personal loan can either solve your financial problems or create even bigger ones, depending on how you use it. In today's video, we'll explain everything you need to know about personal loans in simple language. You'll learn what a personal loan actually is, how it works, who should take one when you should avoid it, its advantages and disadvantages, how banks decide whether to approve your loan, and practical tips to save thousands in interest. By the end of this video, you'll know whether a personal loan is the right choice for you. Let's get started. Chapter 1. What is a personal loan? A personal loan is an unsecured loan provided by banks, NBFCs, or digital lenders. The word unsecured simply means you don't have to pledge any asset as collateral. Unlike a home loan, where the house acts as security, or a car loan, where the vehicle acts as security, a personal loan doesn't require you to mortgage your property, gold, or vehicle. Instead, lenders evaluate things like, your income, employment status, credit score, existing loans, repayment history. If everything looks good, the loan gets approved. The amount is transferred directly into your bank account. You can then use the money for almost any legal purpose. Unlike education loans or home loans, there are usually no restrictions on how you spend the money. That's one of the biggest reasons personal loans are so popular. Chapter 2. Where can you use a personal loan? Let's look at some common situations. Medical emergency. Imagine a family member suddenly needs surgery. Insurance doesn't cover the full cost. You need money immediately. A personal loan can help during such emergencies. Wedding expenses. Weddings can be expensive. Many families use personal loans to manage short-term wedding costs. However, borrowing only makes sense if you're confident you can repay it comfortably. Home renovation. Need to renovate your kitchen, repair your roof, upgrade your furniture. A personal loan may be a practical option if you don't have enough savings. Education. Some people use personal loans to pay tuition fees, especially if they're not eligible for an education loan. Travel. Many lenders even advertise travel loans. But financing a vacation with borrowed money usually isn't a smart financial decision unless absolutely necessary. Debt consolidation. Suppose you have multiple credit card bills charging 36% to 42% annual interest. If you qualify for a personal loan at around 11% to 15%, you could combine all those debts into one loan with a lower interest rate. This can simplify repayments and potentially save money. Chapter 3. How does a personal loan work? Let's understand with an example. Imagine you borrow 10,000. Your lender offers an interest rate of 12% per year. The repayment period is 5 years. Instead of paying everything back at once, you'll make fixed monthly payments called EMIs. Each EMI includes a portion of the loan amount, interest charged by the lender. In the early months, a larger share of your EMI goes toward interest. As time passes, more of your payment goes toward reducing the principal amount. This continues until the loan is fully repaid. Chapter 4. Who can get a personal loan? Eligibility varies by lender, but generally, they look for a stable source of income, good repayment capacity, a healthy credit score, reasonable debt compared to income, age requirements, employment stability. Salaried employees often have an easier approval process. Self-employed individuals may need to provide additional income documents. The better your financial profile, the better your chances of getting lower interest rates. Chapter 5. Documents required. Most lenders ask for GAI, Identity Proof Address, proof, PN or tax identification number, income proof, salary slips or business income documents, bank statements, passport size photograph if required. Many digital lenders now complete the process online through electronic verification. Chapter 6. Advantages of personal loans. Let's talk about the benefits. Fast approval. Some lenders approve loans within hours. Money can reach your account quickly. No collateral required. You don't have to risk your property or valuable assets. Flexible usage. Unlike many other loans, you can use the funds for various personal needs. Fixed EMIs. Your monthly payment usually stays the same throughout the loan period. This makes budgeting easier. Improve credit history. If you make every EMI on time, your credit profile may improve over time. A better credit score can help you qualify for future loans at lower interest rates. Chapter 7. Disadvantages of personal loans. Now let's discuss the risks. Higher interest rates. Because personal loans are unsecured, interest rates are generally higher than home or vehicle loans. Processing fees. Many lenders charge processing fees and other administrative costs. Always check the total cost before signing the agreement. Late payment penalties. Missing EMIs can lead to penalty charges and negatively affect your credit score. Debt burden. Borrowing more than you can comfortably repay can create long-term financial stress. Temptation to overspend. Easy loan approvals sometimes encourage unnecessary spending. Remember, just because you qualify for a loan doesn't mean you should take one. Chapter 8. When should you take a personal loan? A personal loan can make sense if you have a genuine medical emergency. You're consolidating expensive debt. You're investing in education, or there are skills that may increase your future income. You're handling unavoidable family expenses. You have a stable income and can comfortably afford the EMIs. In these situations, borrowing may be reasonable. Chapter 9. When should you avoid it? Avoid taking a personal loan for luxury shopping, expensive gadgets you don't need. Fashion purchases. Vacations, parties. Gambling. Risky investments. Speculative stock trading. Cryptocurrency speculation borrowing money for non-essential spending often creates financial problems later. If something isn't necessary today, consider saving first instead of borrowing. Chapter 10. How to choose the right personal loan. Before applying, compare multiple lenders. Check interest rate, processing fee, prepayment charges, foreclosure charges, late payment penalties, customer reviews, EMI flexibility, loan tenure, hidden charges. Never accept the first offer without comparing alternatives. A small difference in interest rates can save you a significant amount over the life of the loan. Chapter 11. Practical financial tips. Here are some smart borrowing habits. Only borrow what you truly need. Choose the shortest loan tenure you can comfortably afford. Read the loan agreement carefully. Pay EMIs on time. Avoid taking multiple loans at once. Build an emergency fund so you rely less on loans in the future. Borrow responsibly, not emotionally. Let's quickly recap. A personal loan is an unsecured loan that can help during genuine financial needs. It offers quick access to funds without collateral. However, it also comes with higher interest rates and repayment responsibilities. The smartest borrowers don't ask, "Can I get a loan?" They ask, "Do I really need this loan? And can I comfortably repay it?" If the answer is yes, a personal loan can be a useful financial tool. If not, it's often better to wait, save, and avoid unnecessary debt. Remember, a loan should solve a financial problem, not create a new one. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with friends or family who may be thinking about taking a personal loan. Subscribe for more easy-to-understand videos on personal finance, investing, banking, and smart money management. And before you leave, tell us in the comments, have you ever taken a personal loan? Was it worth it? We'd love to hear about your experience.